Welcome. Today we're going to talk about push notifications, and to be more precise, we're going to dive deeper into it and talk about reminders and user scheduled push notifications, how to use them, how to set it up, what to need to pay attention on, and how to utilize it. So let's start with creating an app from scratch. Enter a free trial, start with a blank app. While we are waiting, we also have a pretty useful support article when it comes to reminders and user scheduled push notifications, so you can always take a look at that if you want to know more info on that. So at the moment, the app is empty, so let me just, for this demo purposes, add a couple of features so that the app is not empty. So let's add about, news, and let's add, for example, events, just to be quick. Now, you have to go to Push Notifications tab over there, go to Notification Center. On the top, you have Notifications, Groups, General, and Journeys. So, in order to set up reminders and user-scheduled push notifications, you have to go to General, because by default, they are disabled. Okay, so you have to enable them separately, reminder and user scheduled push notifications. The biggest difference between reminders and user scheduled push notifications. So reminders, when you enable it, you go there and type in hello world, for example. By clicking save, every day or whenever the user chooses, he will receive a push notification, hello world. You can write whatever you want, read the news, and stuff like that. You can also enable user scheduled push notification. Once you do so, you hit save. Okay. So this is how you enable it. Now, before actually showing you how to send push notifications and what to pay attention on, you have to go back to screens, click add screens, type in notifications, and add notification settings. Why? All those push notifications are controlled by the user. So user is actually the one who is enabling, disabling, and choosing the times for reminders and choosing the times for user scheduled push notifications to be sent. Reminder can be at specific time, and user schedule notification, the user can only type in like the time frame. For example, I want to receive push notifications from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and they will receive notification at a random time. Okay, so once we enable this, we can go back to push notifications. Sorry. Notification center, create new. Okay, so let's focus on reminders, and so reminders are all set up. So they're going to be sent automatically. You already typed in in general the message that the users will receive each morning, and I'm going to show you later on in a live preview in our Disclose app that you can download on Google and Apple Store how it actually, that control panel looks like. So let's go back to notifications and talk about user scheduled push notifications. So here is the control panel, and over here you are choosing user scheduled push notification. Here you are choosing to select a time. When do you want to send that push notification? Title, message, and you have to add more than one in order to activate user scheduled push notification. So let's add another one. And type in 2. and click Create. Once you did that, the notification is basically set up and will be sent randomly to the users. Now, since we added in the screens notification settings, I'm going to show you how it looks like on the user's phone. Okay, so let me share my screen. So as you can see, you have separately for reminders and separately for user schedule push notification. So you can, and user can disable it or enable it. If it's enabled, he can set up the time for exact time when do they want to receive that push notification. So if it's news, he drinks coffee in the morning, maybe he wants to receive a push notification over there, click confirm. For user schedule push notification, so it's daily notification messages, disabled or enabled, and he can set up exact time frames when they want to receive those push notifications. So maybe 8 a.m. is too early, he can click confirm, and by, for example, 5, he can start receiving push notifications. And there you go. So it's super easy to set up reminders and user schedule push notifications. A few things to have in mind. When you are going to push notifications, first you have to go to general, enable it. In reminders, it's right, you right away are typing in the message and reminder notification message. Then you have to go to screens, add notification center by typing in notifications and adding notification settings tab for the users. And to start sending, you go back to notifications, notification center, click new, choosing user schedule push notifications, and typing and click create. I really hope this was helpful. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us, to our support, and you can always read the article or watch this video tutorial whenever you need some help. Thank you for watching.